What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are talking about Ipsy today. I recently just got my January box for this month, my Boxy charm by Ipsy. As I always say, I think that's so weird that they kept the name. They couldn't have just, you know, just left what they had already. You know, the glam bag, just completely 86 Boxy charm, but still did the merge. Anyways, that's for another day or another time, another story. Unless you guys have your own opinions, please go ahead and leave it down in the comments down below because it's a bit much. Anyways, so we are talking about my Boxy charm by Ipsy for the month of January. And guys, why does this keep happening to me when I get my boxes? Something always keeps happening. And if you guys know, you know the problems that I've had if you've been here to my channel before. If you haven't, well, we're going to talk about it. Anyways, before we do that, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And let's just go ahead and get into this. Okay, so that little outro, I don't know why, I just kept on stumbling over my words and I had to record that like 3 different freaking times. So if I did it, I did it. If I didn't, I didn't. Anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel. I post videos 2 to 3 times a week. They are beauty, makeup, and lifestyle videos. So if that is something you guys want to be a part of, again, I would love you guys to be a part of my hashtag Diva fan. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. And I also do giveaways. I'm also part of a collab gang here on YouTube where we do makeup challenges every single month. But we're almost at the end of it. I think we have 1 episode left for this month and then 1 more episode for next month. And I think that's it. And I will not be joining season 4. I think I'm going to take a break from it. But I might do my own makeup challenges just to keep my creativity alive. So we shall see. But anyways, we're going to get into my Ipsy. I can't even. You guys already know what we're going to be talking about. So we always get this little random pamphlet in here. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I don't think it is. It never has the prices of the products that we're actually getting. Sometimes it just shows you sneak peeks. Sometimes it shows you favorites. Other than that, that's pretty much what it does. And sometimes it tells you the dates of like the deals that are going on. So always save the date because the very first day of the month is where you guys get to pick our items. So it's a day between the 1st through the 3rd. And it just says there are some power picks for January, which was mascara, Ofra, LYS had a mascara, Glow Recipe had some items in there. And then going into next month is February, so it's actually our first icon box for the year. And if you guys want to see right here, this is basically covering up the face of the person who is going to be curating that icon box. But I've already seen the sneak peeks over off of Instagram, and it is Gwen Stefani. So I'm super excited for it because the sneak peeks for it, I'm praying please give me the option so I can choose the Rare Beauty contour stick. I swear to Bob, on the first one it drops, I'm gonna be like on there super quick. Hopefully it's an option because I redid my quiz and my test to make sure that hopefully I get the opportunity to possibly get that item, but we'll see. Anyways, so this is the Boxy charm by Ipsy where you get 5 full-size products for, I don't remember what the price is, $28. But I also do the beauty booster where I get an additional item. So I get 6 products, so I pay $10 more. So I think all in total between the two, I think I pay like $40 something to get 6 products. So let's talk about what I got. The first item right off the bat is going to be these brushes. I did pick these because out of the options that I had to choose, these just seem like the best option for me. I do like how they're duochromed. I do like how the brushes are slightly slanted. I don't know exactly what they all do. So I'm very interested. Let's go ahead and open this up. You know what? F it. So we have this flat brush. I believe this is a, oh my god. I believe this is a foundation brush. And then we have a few other brushes. This looks like a dupe for like one of those concealer brushes, and it does seem very dense. And then this is just a fluffy brush. It looks more like a highlighter brush. So these are cute. I don't know why I can't talk. My mouth is really dry right now, and I think it's just because I didn't drink any water today. I rarely drink anything today, actually, to be honest, besides a little bit of sweet tea and some coffee this morning. So I'm probably dehydrated. I can almost think that's what it is. But these brushes are really cute and really nice, so I think I'm definitely going to want to add these to my collection, and we shall see. And again, I don't know what the prices of any of these items are, so I'll normally put them in the video for you or tally it up at the end. I think I took a picture when I chose these items, so I'll put that here somewhere in the video or somewhere towards the end. Then the next item in here is the Grande Cosmetics Grand Brow 2-in-1 Tinted Gel Brow Enhancing Serum. This is in the shade medium, which is perfectly fine since I am still blonde and I don't have my dark hair, my dark roots. I like actually using a lighter like brow shade currently at the moment. So basically it's supposed to help your brows but also cover them up at the same time. I can't open it. Oh, never mind, there it is. So yeah, when I got my box earlier, actually I did peek at this, and the bottom of this box was actually just wide open like this. So that was the first thing that was slightly sus. This is actually completely covered in plastic, so I don't think I'm going to open that quite yet. I'll probably wait because I do have a bunch of brow products that are actually open right now, and I do have a brow serum already in my vanity right now. The one that I have that's helping me grow my brows is the brow conditioner by Billion Dollar Brows. So that's the one I've been using right now, and trust me, it makes my brow hairs grow, but not the ones I want to grow right now. But also I am taking hair and nail vitamins, so that also could be another thing in and of itself. Okay, then we have this right here. This is a Dermalactive Elastin Collagen Rejuvenator. Microcurrent facial toning device. I do believe this product either I chose for myself or it was chosen for me. It does have a QR code on the side to receive 60% off the website, which is kind of cool. So I will freeze it right here for you guys if you want to check that out. But this is what the item looks like. So there is that. It says it cleans, micropats, and then it also warms. So I'm definitely interested to see if there's any reviews about this and how it actually works. It just says beauty insiders and celebrities have long been taunting the benefits of galvanic and microcurrent facial lifts and tighten the face, neck muscles for firming, smoother, and brighter skin. Microcurrent technology is an instant pain-free facelift as it delivers soft, gentle waves to the skin, into the muscles, and it stimulates the production of collagen, elastin for a noticeable improved contour. Select your power level and choose from 3 modes to cleanse, deeply moisturize, or firm, and refresh skin in as little as 4 minutes a day. So I wonder if it's like one of those ones that you like push onto your face. You know how like you could either do like the gua sha, I think that's what it's called, or you have those current ones that have the balls. Do you know what I'm talking about? I've always wanted those other ones with the currents, the one that kind of like shapes your face, but I wonder if this does this too. So luckily I got that. I'll be able to try something out. Hopefully it works the same way. Okay, one of the other products I have in here is the Rodial Mascara Extra Extra Large Extreme Lash Maximizer. So it looks like just a regular mascara tube. It doesn't say anything crazy of what it's supposed to do. There's no pictures on the box. Let's see. It just says brush from top to bottom on lashes. It doesn't have any claims as to what it's supposed to do. It's just a volumizing the mascara. So has a typical bristle wand. That's not my favorite when it comes to mascara wands. I like more of like a silicone wand. So, oh well, there is that. So I'll keep that in the unicarton because I have so many mascaras open right now at the moment behind me that I need to try out and use first. Okay, another thing to talk about. So another box that was open when I got my, got this earlier. Also, right now, the current temperature where I live, and I just dropped that box on the ground. Great. Anyways, like I was saying, so currently I live in, well, some of you guys know, but I live in Indiana. And it is super effing cold here right now at the moment. The current temperature outside right now is 6 degrees, but it feels like -7. I kid you not that it has been this cold all day. When I left this morning to go somewhere, I've been up since like 6:45 this morning. Current time right now is 12:51. But when I got up this morning, it was -1, and it felt like it was -13 outside or some crazy thing like that. So we've been going through a very cold weather, chill, snow, all that kind of jazz. So what had happened was, a few of these products froze. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Sunscreen. This was completely rock hard when I opened up this box. Because it was in my mailbox, I don't know for how long after they dropped it off. But I mean, I took it out and brought it inside. But then this product, but also I don't know where it was during transit or where it was like previous and how long it took to get here, because it's probably changed climate weather from wherever it started. Where did it say this came from? It says that this came from Connecticut. So, and then this product right here is a volumizing blow dry spray instant root lift mega volume, and it is definitely a metal can, but it's not aerosol. It actually has a spray, just a regular like pump, but this was frozen rock hard, and actually some of the product, because it was so frozen, expanded and it was all in the box and it was all over some of this stuff. Luckily it was frozen, so I just kind of had to like chip it off, wipe it off, and we were good to go. But the box like literally smelled like this stuff, which wasn't bad because it actually smells really good. But crazy that these two products were frozen and this one actually was like completely solid. So I put it next to my heater or the vent in my bathroom on the floor right next to it. So now that it's been in my bathroom for like hours on end since I left for work, it's not frozen anymore, which is great. And it smells awesome, and hopefully it still works when I try and spray it. So there's the smell is very floral. It's giving lavender. It's giving like piney and like lavender is what I'm smelling. I don't know exactly what's all in here. It says it's peppermint, coconut, argan oil, hops, flowers, something else, white nettles, but I literally kid you not, it smells like lavender to me. So I don't know any better than that. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy / BoxyCharm for the month of January. Definitely excited for next month because there are some really, really good stuff. I think there's more Anastasia Beverly Hills. Shoot, I don't know what some of the sneak peeks are. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up here for you guys. But what are your guys' thoughts on the box that I got this month? I'm definitely happy. I'm not mad at it, but it's not great. It's not great. I definitely would say the Glow Recipe sunscreen thing is really cool. It's 50 SPF, and I love Glow Recipe so much. I love the watermelon collection. This will definitely come in use when I go to Mexico in July, if that still happens. But as of right now, I don't need this. So, I mean, I think that's the best product that's actually in here out of everything that I got. Because when it comes to like a name brand or something, I mean, this is really cool. Hopefully these brushes work. This, I don't know if I'm going to use this or not use this, but we shall see. Hopefully it works. Because that would be really cool if it does. Like, I need some volume in my hair. Because currently now I just feel like my hair just hasn't been, you know, hairing. It hasn't been doing its thing. And it definitely takes a lot of finessing. Right now it's kind of like curly wavy, but it's because I had it in a braid all day. And then I just took it out not that long ago. So just waving my fingers through it. So that is what we got for Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. So before we do that, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.